I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Picsart and loading the photo you'll edit. Do not fiddle with settings first. Begin editing now. Crop to your target aspect ratio so composition decisions are final, then check resolution and enable Auto Enhance only if needed. Create and duplicate a work layer immediately so you always have the original underneath. Once done, rename that duplicate to Work and hide the original. This gives you a non-destructive baseline and keeps your changes reversible. Now refine the image. Use Adjust to balance exposure and contrast, making small 5 to 15% moves so you don't crush detail. Once balanced, zoom in and use Healing or Clone to remove distractions. Sample nearby texture and work in short strokes for natural results. For targeted corrections, switch to Selective Edit or the Brush tool. Apply color shifts, dodge and burn, or sharpening with low opacity so transitions remain smooth. Make sure to toggle the preview to compare before and after. Finish by adding any creative filters, overlays, or text. Prefer subtlety and control effects with blend modes and reduced opacity so the photo looks cohesive. When satisfied, export as PNG or high-quality JPG. Adjust the quality slider and keep EXIF if you need more data. If the final image looks off, troubleshoot by checking white balance and curves for color shifts, or revert to your duplicated work layer to redo specific steps. One tip: if a tool behaves oddly, restart the app to clear temporary glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.